Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you often use the Notes app to jot down random phrases or reminders? Did you know that the application actually has more features that you can use for more than just writing text? In this video, I will show you the 10 best tips on how to effectively use Notes on your iPhone. Let's go. To get started, review the configurations associated with the Notes application to set its default features and appearance. Open Settings and navigate to Notes. Go to Default Account and set your preferred storage, either iCloud or On My iPhone, where your created notes will be stored by default. Personally, I recommend the iCloud storage so you can easily back up and access your notes online. The password settings allows you to enable password protection for each account in your notes. To set one, choose an account and select whether to use your device passcode or create a separate password to access your locked notes. Although creating a separate password is more secure, remember that if you forget it, there is no way to access the files you have locked. Enable the On My iPhone account toggle if you want some notes you create saved on your local storage. If you want to get notified when someone mentions you in your shared notes, check Mention Notifications. In my case, I like to keep this turned off because the notifications can be a bit unnecessary and distracting. Click Sort Notes By and choose a category to set how you want your note list ordered. Every note you create will start with what you set in the New Note Start With option. You can also sort your checklist items either manually or automatically. If you choose automatic sorting, the checklist will move to the bottom as soon as you mark it as checked, which is great particularly for to-do lists. If you want to set a different display independent of your system settings, select one in Note Background. Enable Auto Convert to Tag so that when you enter a space after a hashtag word, it's automatically recognized as a tag. Tags are useful for finding relevant content, which I'll show you how they work later. Additionally, you can also activate Save to Photos to automatically store all captured media to Photos. Then open the Access Notes from lock screen and modify the format when you use Quick Notes in the Control Center. Select either Always Create New Notes, Resume Last Note to open previously created file, or turn it off to prevent access from the lock screen. Also, be sure to sync your notes via iCloud so you can access them on any device, including your iPhone, iPad, Mac, Windows PC, or even the web if you are signed in with the same Apple ID. Go to Settings and click your name at the top of the page. Open iCloud. Tap Show All. Navigate to Notes and make sure the sync toggle is on. You can also add other accounts from iCloud, Gmail, Yahoo, and more if you want to integrate your external notes and view them conveniently in one app. To add, open Settings and browse to the Notes configuration page. Go to Accounts and click Add Account. Select the appropriate email service and enter your account information. Once verified, toggle Notes to retrieve the data from your account and sync it with the Notes app. After setting your preferences, open Notes, go to Folders, and select the specific account where you want to save your note. Then click the Compose button in the lower right corner to start writing and use the toolbar to format your entries. To edit your text, highlight it and tap the AA button where you can set the style to different formats such as heading, mono-styled, numbered list, and more. Tap the List button to easily insert multiple items and bullets. Add a table to organize your data into columns and rows. To add or remove a column, tap any cell, double-click the three-dot menu above it, and choose from the pop-out options. Do the same if you want to insert or remove a table row. You can also draw freehand or insert elements into your note. Click the Pen tool. Choose the style and adjust the font weight and color to your liking. Then tap the plus button to add a sticker, insert text, or embed your signature or other shapes as needed. In addition, the Notes app has a data recognition feature that allows it to interact directly with other apps, such as Maps and Calendar, by recognizing valid addresses, dates, and more. To demonstrate, Select an address from your note. Swipe the toolbar options, and you should see that you can view it directly in Maps. Create an event or reminder for your dates and add them directly to your calendar so you can be notified. As mentioned earlier in the video, adding tags is a great way to organize your notes so you can easily search or filter them across folders. To create, enter the pound symbol followed by the tag name, which can only be one word. Use hyphens or underscores for combination words. The placement of tags in your note is entirely up to you. If you want to link to a specific source on the web or redirect to another note in your application, try adding hyperlinks. Type the name for your hyperlink, select it, and look for the Add Link button in the toolbar. Then paste the URL of the specific web page or enter the title or tags of the target note you want to redirect to. Another feature available is Scan Text, which allows you to copy any typewritten characters directly from your document and paste them into your note without having to retype everything. On the bottom toolbar, click the camera icon and select Scan Text. Point the camera at your document, wait for it to scan for text, and click Insert. Note that live text or visual lookup is compatible with select models such as iPhone SE 2nd generation, iPhone XR, up to iPhone 15 Pro Max. Additionally, you can also insert photos or videos from your gallery or capture one directly from your camera. Click Scan Documents if you like to create a soft copy of your printed papers. Scanned files are automatically saved in PDF format within the app. If you like to protect your notes from unauthorized access, turn on the lock feature. Open the note you want to encrypt. Click the three-dot menu and tap on Lock. Once locked, only the title remains visible in the list. Use your Face ID or device passcode, depending on what you set in settings, to unlock your notes. To create a note and jot down information instantly, make sure to set up the Quick Notes feature. Open Settings. Navigate to the Control Center configuration page and add Quick Note to the list. After that, simply access the Control Center and tap the Quick Note button to create your note anytime, anywhere on your iPhone. There are also 2 sharing accesses you can choose from when you want to send your note to friends or family. Open the note. Click the Share icon at the top and choose either Send a Copy or Collaborate. Send a Copy provides read-only access when sharing, while Collaborate allows your recipient to edit the note and see each other's updates in real time. After setting up the sharing access, send the note using AirDrop, an invitation link, or another messaging platform of your choice. If your notes keep piling up, keep the list organized and clutter-free by grouping them into folders. To create a folder, go to the Folders dashboard and tap Add Folder in the lower left corner. Choose a storage, enter the folder name, and click Done to save. You can also pin important notes inside each folder so they stay on top and are easily accessible. Use Smart Folders to filter your notes across accounts and view them automatically. When a note meets a particular set of criteria, it's instantly saved to your Smart Folder. To create one, go to the Folders dashboard, tap Add Folder, and select your preferred storage location. Enter its name. Click Make into Smart Folder, and select the filters you need. For example, I'd like to create a Smart Folder for all notes that contain the tag Daily Assignments and have unchecked lists so that I can easily view pending tasks. Then click Done to save it. All notes that match the set filters will be displayed here, regardless if they're stored in different folders or storage accounts. The Notes app also has a dynamic search bar that lets you easily filter and search for specific content. You can use its suggested filters such as shared notes, notes with attachments, and others, or enter tags or keywords for a more precise result. Besides taking notes, do you like to plan your day and want to learn how to use the Calendar app on your iPhone? If so, click the tag in the upper right corner or find the link in the description below. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.